What the heck? Stepped on branch.
Oh, that's the new level. They just released it. So many people in Asia complained it was too easy, so they made this.
A leaf. Was it poisonous?
I think you press L2.
I have to block the sun. Finally, some action.
Steven, when you get so fat,
emotional damage. You want some therapy?
You probably could just hold down the block button.
when you get so fat, you still trying to be an actor.
Hey!
I'm done. Steven, get the cheat codes.
What? You don't want to beat it properly?
I will send you to Jesus.
Okay, here's one. L2, circle, circle, triangle.
Okay, L, triangle, square, square, circle.
Whoa, is that a cheat code? Looks like you, my friend, are on the wrong difficulty level. See, we made this game mode for the 5-year-olds in Asia who kept beating our f***ing game in 5 minutes! How are they so good? We kept raising the difficulty, but it's just not enough for that! I can't even play that well and I made the f***ing game! So let's take you back to where you should be. Easy mode.
Dişişlemişler.
What?
拿到了，这拍到了。
Güneş geceyi sarmışsa, ölüm kapıda durmuşsa, ecel sonumuz olmuşsa.